Exercise number 17, 700 commission book, first half. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. We often hear it said of a man that he had had a long life or that his life had been cut short, full stop. What do we really mean when we use the expressions long life and short life question mark in relation to what is the life of a particular man, long or short question mark? We are of course measuring the life of the man in relation to the number of years which men in the mass can reasonably expect to live, full stop. When we speak of the life of one man in relation to the life of most men, we can with some degree of truth say that it was a long life, full stop. But can we use such an expression if we think of the life of one man in relation to the time during which man has lived on earth? And further, can we use such an expression regarding the life of man on earth if we think of it in relation to the time during which the earth itself has been in existence and in relation to the time during which the earth is likely to continue in existence, question mark. The life of one man and the life of man as a whole are short beyond statement when considered in this way, full stop, new para. Experts tell us that the different kinds of material found upon earth show beyond question that the earth has existed in a form more or less like its present form for at least 2 or 3 thousand million years, full stop. When we consider that we place events in history by using a measurement of time which finds expression in dates such as 1000 AD and 1500 AD, and that our present date is less than 2000 AD, we get some idea of how very short our own history is when considered in relation to the history of the earth upon which we live, full stop. The mind of man is small and it is impossible for him to picture the passing of 2 or 3 thousand million years, full stop. When we ask how long has man lived on earth, the experts give us widely differing answers, full stop. Their answers in fact differ from the statement that man has lived possibly for a million years to the statement that he had lived for 300,000 years, full stop.